Understanding asylum procedures. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the topic of asylum procedures. This is an important and often complex subject, especially for those seeking safety and a new life in a different country. If you're interested in how individuals seek protection in foreign lands, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the meaning and process of asylum procedures. Asylum is a form of protection given by a country to someone fleeing persecution in their home country. It's important to understand that this is not just for anyone who wants to live in a new country but for those who are at serious risk if they return home. This could be due to their race, religion, nationality, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion. The asylum procedure can be long and complex. Here's a simplified step-by-step guide. 1. Arrival and application. The person seeking asylum, often referred to as an asylum seeker, arrives in the country where they wish to seek asylum and officially registers their request. 2. Interview and documentation. The asylum seeker will have an interview where they explain their reasons for fleeing their home country. They need to provide as much evidence as possible to support their claims. 3. Decision-making. Authorities review the case, considering the information provided, the situation in the asylum seeker's home country, and international laws. 4. Outcome. The asylum seeker will either be granted asylum, meaning they can stay in the country and enjoy certain rights and protections, or their application will be denied, in which case they may have to leave the country or appeal the decision. While awaiting the decision on their application, asylum seekers have certain rights such as the right to stay in the country, basic welfare support, and sometimes the right to work or study. However, they also have responsibilities, like reporting to authorities regularly, living at a specified address, and not traveling to certain places without permission. The journey doesn't end with receiving asylum. Integrating into a new society comes with its own set of challenges, including language barriers, finding employment, and adapting to a new culture. It's essential for host countries to provide support and for asylum seekers to be proactive in embracing their new community. Understanding asylum procedures is crucial in recognizing the struggles and resilience of those seeking a safe haven. We hope this video has shed light on this significant process and the human stories behind it. Remember, every asylum seeker has a unique story, and understanding these procedures helps us foster a more compassionate and informed society. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been an enlightening discussion.